everyone! Today I'm going to show you our workshops. We have 3 workshops. 2 is for nonwoven bag making machine production. Another one is for machining work. Let me show you one of them. You can see they are full of machines. 30 to 40 set machines can be finished for 1 month. And our quality inspection process is very strict. There are 10 designers and 12 engineers in our researching and developing team to update and improve technicians continually. We have complete after-sale service to guarantee customers' rights. Quality, technician, and after-sale service are most factors in our field. We will offer the best service to win the trust of customers all over the world. Thank you.